Hi everyone, welcome back to our Azure DevOps learning series. On the last session, we have learned about how to extract the comments of the work item, which are most important whenever you are trying to do and extract the other details, how to extract the comments using the REST APIs, and even when you have a lot of big list of your work item type. Today we will move ahead to understand that within a work items, whenever there is an attachment, so how you can extract the attachment from your work item type so that you can get it consolidated, and as and when needed you can utilize it for any further activity. So today we will see which particular REST API help you to extract the attachment. Now you can see on my screen, I have again created one of the Python script where most of the configuration will remain same by getting the organization, project, pad tokens and other information. The main important in order to download the attachment, we are using the REST API. Till this point it is all same from the work item type. In order to extract the attachment, we have to use the expand equal to relations. That is the one which can help to extract the attachment. And then the function that has been created here, we are going to be execute the same function for all the work item type that has been defined in one of the input file. So whatever be the three work item that we have mentioned, this will execute the loop and extract the work attachment for that particular work item. And as soon as it can extract it, it will save it is in one of the folders so that it is easy to be identify that a particular attachment belongs to which work item ID. So it will create one work item followed by work item ID as an attachment as a folder, and under this directory or a folder it will save all the attachment related to that particular work item ID. Let's see how it is work, and I will show you quickly that on input file I have passed three different work item that we will see that whether there is any attachment on this one or not, and I will quickly show you on the work item that if I can say about the work item ID 34, you can see there is one attachment right here, a one PNG file. It can be anything. Secondly, let's quickly go to the epic, the work ID as 33. You can see there is one attachment, it's a CSV file. Now let's see the last one, whether there is any attachment or not. And if you can open it, you can see, okay, there is zero attachment. So when we are going to be execute the Python script using the Azure DevOps pipeline, the similar way like we did all the others, when now we are going to be execute the attachment pipeline or a Python script, and then we will publish the artifacts. Let's execute this one and see what is the result. When it is going to be execute, as I explained, that it will read one item at a time or one work item ID at a time. It will use the expand section of the REST APIs to check whether there is any attachment exist. If it is exist, then Python will helps to download the attachment as a folder structure or a directory that I mentioned. So let's see. I can see the command has been executed. It goes. Now you can see here that for the work item ID 33, it said it's found an attachment, and we saw like there is a CSV file, and then it start downloading it on the folder, followed by the another work item ID 34. There is another attachment with the PNG file. It downloaded it. Then it went to the item 51. It said no attachment detected. So that's how you can see the Python script using the REST API to extract all the attachment, and then we publish all those attachments. So let's quickly see whether the folder structure which I am mentioning is created or not. That way it will be easy to be identified, and then we can validate it. So let's wait. This pipeline to be come up, and then we can quickly validate this one. Now you can see there is one publishment. I will go under that one. In this one, let's check it out. I do everything, but you can see work item ID followed by its actual ID name and then attachment, and under this the CSV file. The another one is the PNG file. So this is the way you can use the REST API of Azure DevOps to extract even the attachment of your work item, and then wherever you want to be needed, you can utilize it. How you can use, whether you can go with the same folder structure or a different folder structure, it's all about your Python script. But the REST API which I show you is the one that help you to be extract the attachment. Thank you so much. On our next session, we will learn about how to extract the hyperlink, followed by we will go a little bit more deeper on how to use the REST API to pass the information from Azure DevOps to the Power Platform and get the information back from Power Platform to the Azure DevOps. Thank you.